Hey, this is your secret scribe here for Nature Speaks 333, and I am here with Teddy Bear and Alojia. So we're going to see what Alojia has to say in one moment. All right, give me 1 minute while I connect again. Did you just say, okay, Sanskrit for abundance is a cyclic wave that spans throughout time. It adjusts to the frequency of your being. The wondrous offerings that you have at your feet are abundant in nature. Allow yourself the freedom to adjust to its frequency. A sense of wonder will be had for those who allow themselves this frequency. For it is those who seek this freedom that will rise to the power of consciousness in ways that will set humanity up for the times to come. A little offering of happiness, of joy, is what this frequency offers. This frequency is always available to all. An adjustment of consciousness is needed to remind yourselves on a consistent basis that this is present. A temporary setback of what is called for with consciousness is about to take place. There will be uproarings of thunder. A lake, did you say lake? My God, I have goosebumps all over. A lake will rise. Do you mean its waters? Yes. Okay. Lake. Okay. This lake will offer knowledge. It is in your Western Hemisphere. This knowledge will be found by those who seek to know it. There are clues throughout your societies that can lead you to pieces of knowledge that have yet to be uncovered. There is always something to be told. This knowledge must come to the surface. When you seek to offer yourself to obtain this knowledge, the universe guides you. So be present, be here, be in the now. Is that it? Okay. All right, Ted. All right, guys, I hope you resonated with that. Wow. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down below. And if you're interested in tarot card readings, I have another page, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, where I offer readings for the astrological signs. So you guys have a great day. And as always, stay connected to your heart and with love. Namaste.